Alright guys, my name is Eric Carnes and I'm with Absolute Electrical, and in this video I'm basically going to do a Thumbtack review. Some of y'all are familiar with lead generation services like Home Advisor. I'm going to have to throw rocks at Home Advisor because to me it was just a big waste of money. You pay I think around $300 for the whole year, and then you pay ridiculous amounts for leads that are ridiculously got too much competition around it. So in this video, I'm going to kind of break down what I've been using for the past probably 8 months, and it has absolutely transformed my business to the point to where sometimes I got to turn it off and just to keep up with work. I mean, I stay booked up. Usually doing service work and stuff like that, customers usually want work done within the next couple of days, within a week. They don't usually like waiting 2 or 3 weeks, but I stay booked up usually up 2 weeks. And I get to the point where I got to turn it off and get caught up on things, and I just turn it back on. And so what I'm doing is basically just a quick review of what Thumbtack and how it's helped my business grow. If you're doing electrical work, if you're doing plumbing, and whatever kind of work that you do, if you're doing kind of service-based business, Thumbtack is the way to go. Okay. Now, some places, I live in the Atlanta area, so Thumbtack has grew pretty well. So in some areas of the country, it might not be as big as it is in some areas, but we're just kind of going to go through this and show you kind of how it works. Normally what happens is, and you can also set this up on your phone, but I get notifications that come to my phone and a text message that tells me when a customer is looking for a quote. And basically when you get that, it's all about responding very quickly. Okay, once I respond, I make contact. You only pay when the customer responds back to you. When they respond back to you, that's when you pay. And to me, that's a lot better than Home Advisor. Home Advisor will send you leads and already charge you for it. And a lot of times you can't get in touch with them because they've already been contacted by 10 or more other pros. And Thumbtack, it seems like they limit it. Sometimes a customer may get contacted once or twice or maybe up to 5 times. But what I like about Thumbtack is it actually tells you how many pros have been contacted, and it tells you how many pros have actually responded. So you can go in here in this job category here, and it'll tell you, Brandon W. contacted 3 electricians. Only 1 had responded. Okay, this person contacted 3 electricians. 1 pro responded. 1 pro responded. Nobody responded to this. So this could be, and it says you can be the first. So I can go in here and read if it matches, the work in the area. It's the Atlanta area. It matches the dates that I can get to it, and she's also available for any other time. So you basically go through here. You can view the details, and you just look at it and you bid on it. Okay, simple, easy stuff, and it allows you to go in here and kind of edit your profile. You go in and you put your license information, and you put different pictures. And the main thing that I see that really helps is go after reviews. Okay, if you've done work in the past before using Thumbtack, you can go and actually email or text those people a link, and they can leave you a review. Okay, so in the system it's showing I got 93 reviews, and like I said, I've only been using this for the past 8 months alongside of my other contractors that we work for. But people go in there and give you reviews, and you can select what your business hours are. You can go in here and frequently ask questions about your business. You can go and answer those. But just to kind of show you, you got an inbox where where you're having conversations with potential customers and clients. And once you land that customer and they respond back and they want some more work from you, you don't have to pay any more money. They're your lead for life. Okay. What I like to do is actually give them my phone number so they can text me directly. And but once you pay for that lead, they're yours. They're yours for the rest of their life. You do good work for somebody, so I have no problem paying $10 up to $29 for a lead. And that's what I like about it is the leads are a whole lot cheaper than Home Advisor, and you can kind of go in here and see. I showed you the jobs. You can see like different services. You can go in here and select what kind of services you want. You can select, if you want to do circuit breaker panel or fuse installation. If you want to do panel or fuse box repair, lighting installation, lighting repair. You select what you want. You select the area that you want it. You select how much money you want to spend per week. And it's not one of those things, you know, right now I got targeted ons. And basically what happens if a customer matches everything that I put in here, I'll automatically get charged for the lead. And you also save 20% when you do that. Like I said, but you may be competing with nobody. You may be competing with, you know, what I've seen is probably up to 5 people sometimes, maybe 3 people. So you have a real good chance. If you give a good price, you have a good chance on getting that lead, okay? And so just kind of on average for me, you know, how it's been working for me is usually with one job that I get, I usually pay for all my leads that I require for the week, okay? So just saying, if you know, if I go do a little quick little service call and I make $150 to, you know, fix a receptacle, whatever you charge, that's up to you. But my usually standard just to go out is usually about $150, and it really depends on the situation. But usually $150, and I can pay for the whole week of leads. Okay, that'll keep me busy, and it's not hard at all to land job as long as you're quick, as long as you go after those reviews and you build your reviews up. I highly recommend Thumbtack to anybody who's looking to just grow their service side of their electrical business or plumbing business or HVAC business. Super easy to use, user friendly, and it has dramatically increased my business. I've probably done, and I'd hate to say how much, but last 8 months probably done, you know, at least $50,000. And I dare say I probably only spent about $2,500 in actually lead costs. So you do the math, okay? But that also depends on your pricing. It depends on, you know, what you do. Nothing's guaranteed here, but this is just how it's worked for me. You know, I can kind of show you. I got 129 messages in here from when I've started conversations with people, and I've actually won a lot of these jobs. And it's just a matter of being quick with the customer, because people nowadays, they want a quick response. They don't want to wait hours. They want something right now. So the key for me is to make sure I got it on my cell phone, and just be quick with it. And when they respond back to you, you be quick when responding back to them. And that's how you land work. I got people over and over and over. And plus, if a customer does not respond back, they respond and their response is no, you can get refunded for that. There's one that happened right here. I got refunded for. But what I get told by customers over and over again is that we're just glad that you responded. Most people don't even contact them back. They may start a conversation, never hear anything back from the contractor. But so that's just, you know, some keys on growing your business with Thumbtack. Okay, so if you're interested in learning more, you can click the link below in the description, and I'd highly would urge you to get started on this. Thumbtack is not giving me any kind of money for making this video. I'm just out there trying to help other people grow their businesses. Okay, so thanks for watching, and hope you have a wonderful day.